guys, to make this stew, I'm actually using my pressure cooker or slow cooker. If you don't own one of these and you want one, I'll leave the link for you all at the end of this video. Also, you can make it in a normal pot. So I'm going to go in with some oil, and I'm using the CGA garlic infused oil for this. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of brown sugar, and I'm going to allow the sugar to brown and caramelize. Usually I don't use oil when I make stews, but because I'm cooking this first time in here and I'm stewing in here, I wanted to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pot. So it's actually melting quite beautifully. Now guys, I didn't season my lamb that I'm using for this because this is going to slow cook. I'm just going to add everything into the pot and it will marry while it's cooking. I'm just going to let it get a little more brown. Now that it's to the color that I want, I'm going to go in with the lamb. Now I'm going to add salt to taste, some freshly cracked black pepper, pimento pepper sauce, and I'm using the Bertie's brand. You can find it in the Callaloo box store if you're living out here in the US. I'm also going with some green seasoning, ginger, onions, tomatoes, scallions, and celery, garlic, 1 Maggi tomato cube. You want to add paprika and some oregano. Now I'm going in with some tomato ketchup, or you can use tomato paste, or you can omit it. Next, you want to go in and mix all of those ingredients. And what I'm going to do is allow this to sear or brown in here for a couple of minutes. After your meat browns up a little, you're going to go in with your Guinness. Next, I'm going to cover this and I'm going to allow it to cook. It may take about 30 to 40 minutes depending on how powerful your pressure cooker is. Okay, so the lamb is finished. You can see how the liquid in there has thickened up and dried down. I'm gonna taste it and see how it's tasting and if it has enough salt. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for Guinness lamb stew. If you've never had this, you have to try it. That Guinness adds so much flavor and it tastes so delicious, and you see that beautiful color that it gave it. Oh my gosh, it's out of this world delicious, and I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. If you all enjoyed this recipe, please leave me your comments down below. Remember to like and share the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.